All right, so we have talked about process boards, we've built a process board, but how do you use the process board? So we're going to go over into our process boards here. We're going to click into it. First and foremost, let's talk about using a process board as a manager of a team. So what you're looking at here with this process board is we have a violations count graph. We have the rules that are being violated and how often they are being violated. And we have a leaderboard as well to show you which reps are doing really well, which ones are getting to zero, which ones have a lot of violations on it. Down in this table here, we have it broken out a little bit more granularly where you can see the name of the deal or contact company, whatever you have the rule built on, the owner, where they're at, all of this, all of that good stuff, close dates, all of that. And this can all be configured to show you exactly what you want it to show you. Now, if you're a rep that is using process boards, there's a couple of ways that you can use them, right? And by use them, I mean get started on them. So you can come into Superbird, you can hit this play button, and it will take you directly into the very first record that has issues. You can come in and clean them up, come in, fix all of the issues in here, and then hit next, and it will continue through your playlist of violations. Now, you also don't have to go back over into Superbird. You can pull open Sidekick if you would like to, pull open processes, hit the board that you want to start on, and run that play on that playlist. Simple as that. Let us know if you have questions.